How to change video quality in Facebook Lite. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, when it comes to changing the video quality in the Facebook Lite app, there are two ways. The first one is to change the entire video quality for the app, and it goes like this. Open up Facebook Lite, click on the three lines at the top right, then scroll down to the settings and privacy section, and from there click on data saver mode. And here you will see a section that says video quality, from which you will be able to change the quality to high one or a low quality, and this will be applied to the entire videos that will be played in the Facebook Lite app. The second option is to change the quality of the video itself, and it goes like this. Go to the video that you are watching or want to change the quality of, say for example this one, and at the bottom right of the video you will see a settings gear icon. Click on it and it will show you an option that says quality. Click on it and here you will be able to select the quality that you want per video. It's that easy and simple. It also has another option which will change the first thing that we did, which was the entire change of the quality, to this video only. So maybe if you choose a low quality for the entire videos and you want a good quality for this one, you can do this option just for this video. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change the video quality in the Facebook Lite app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.